So right off the bat, you can see the changes, the benefits of the additional data. So I'm just going to rerun the same code we just ran. And just as before, we're going to monitor save models because the new models, the new models and the new PNGs are going to start popping up here. Right from the start, model 1 is a 12.69 MSE. That's a better initial model than we were getting before. If you remember, our initial model before was like 13.9 or something like that, right? So right off the bat, you can see the changes, the benefits of the additional data. And model 2 is already better than our previous model 5. But now we're on track because now we're looking at completely different dates. Look at that. We went from an 11.2 projection to an 11.30 projection to 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.4. Now we're on the right track, right? Now we're doing good stuff. So now you can see that the projections are completely different. And by the way, I know that some of you are going to notice why the numbers are so different, 345 to 437. That's because Meta takes in the seasonality and the seasonality within the weeks, right? 11:30 and 12:1 are weekends. So those prices aren't accurate. But for Monday, if you were to, execute on this information, this is the information you would use, right? Because you want the 12.2 value. Because profit in the background takes into account the differences between what happens on a Monday versus what happens on a Saturday and Sunday, right? So these are the values that you'd want to use. You want to use it for the actual date that you plan to execute on, right? But this is the value that we'd be looking at for Microsoft on Monday as the predicted value, right? But you can see there, right? Now the new data, the latest data is baked into the model so that we are accurately reflected what the last trading day was and what the next upcoming trading day is, which is, Monday, December 2nd, right?